How would you like to make $18,000 a month from YouTube without showing your face or working hard?
Oh my God! Wow!
It's not a fantasy. It's a reality for many faceless YouTube channels that are making big bucks by uploading videos on topics that people love. Like this channel about cave exploring, which is making $18,000 a month from Google Ads alone. How did they do it? And how can you do it too? That's what I'm going to show you in this video. I will show you how to create a faceless YouTube channel using AI, step by step. I will share with you some secrets that will make you want to quit your boring job today. This video is packed with value, so don't miss any parts of it because every step is crucial for this to work. To write the script for your video, you can use an AI tool called ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can generate text for any purpose. For instance, I asked ChatGPT to write topics for me about the 5 best true cave diving stories out there. Next, I asked ChatGPT to write me at least 300 words about one of these topics. I chose the blue hole mystery. As you can see, ChatGPT wrote a very detailed and captivating script for me.
Wow! Yeah.
Now that you have your script ready, you need to record it. If you want to use an AI voice generator, you can use a tool like 11 Labs. These tools can generate realistic and natural-sounding voices for your videos. You can copy and paste script in 11 Labs. Once you have your voice recording ready, the final step is to create the video itself. You need to add some visuals to your voice recording to make it more engaging and appealing. You can use images, videos, animations, text, or anything else that suits your topic. You can find free images and videos online from sites like Pixabay or Pexels. You can also use a tool like Canva or Adobe Spark to create graphics and animations for your video. You can also use a tool like Pictory to automatically generate videos from your script.
Oh my God! Wow!
Once you have your video ready, you need to upload it to YouTube and optimize it for maximum views and revenue. You need to give it a catchy title, an attractive thumbnail, a descriptive description, relevant tags, and a strong call to action. And that's it.
Nice.
That's how you can create a faceless YouTube channel using AI and make thousands of dollars every month without ever showing your face or doing any hard work. It's not easy, but it's definitely possible. If you follow the steps that I showed you in this video, you will be able to create your own faceless YouTube channel in no time. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.